Hey, today we are in a Volkswagen Golf MK7 and I'm going to show you how to bring daytime running lights settings to your infotainment screen. So right now, if we go to car, setup and light, there's no setting for the daytime running lights. It should be somewhere over here. And we are going to use OBDeleven to connect to the car and change the coding. So I have OBDeleven already connected to the car. I'm going to the module list over here, selecting module 09, which is Central Electrics. And over here we are going to enter security access to enter the security access code, which is 31347. This will enable us to make some changes. Right now, when the login code was accepted, we are going to Adaptation, and we are looking for daytime running lights on the list. We can use the search function, daytime running lights. Okay. And the second to last option is in German over here. It's tagfahrliche Aktivierung durch BAP oder something, and it's set to not active. It can also be in English. It will say daytime running lights activation by BAP or operation sequence possible. So we are changing it to active. Press and hold on the green check mark, and the adaptation was accepted. And as you can see, the daytime running lights option is already here, so you don't have to reboot anything. It's just here. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this simple tutorial, give me thumbs up. Also check out my other tutorials about more interesting things that you can do with your Volkswagen and other cars. Okay, see you soon.